Take a ride in the 2017 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.